Hello friends, welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to talk about Forex, commodities, indices and cryptos markets, and we will talk about technical analysis, price action, chart breakdown, potential trading setups and the different confluences that we have for these trading setups. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to start with the AUDUSD, and we are going to analyze the market on the daily time frame starting from here. Let's say it's a low, lower, high, lower, 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 low, lower, high. And right now, as you can see, the price broke and closed below this support, and at the same time, the price also broke and closed below this support as well. So now the price is right now here, and as we can see, the price is making lower lows and lower highs. So we are bearish. So in bearish market, we are looking for short trades, and but we are going to look for short trades after the retracement. So if we talk about the retracement now, if the price start retracing now, this can be a zone which is going to act as a resistance if the price start pulling back higher. So there might be a possibility that the price find resistance here and continue its downtrend on daily. So this move we can catch on the lower time frames H4 and H1 if it works out. If it doesn't and the price continue higher, then this is going to be the zone where we are going to look for a shorting opportunity, because this is going to be the strongest resistance zone, and this will also give us a good risk reward ratio as well. So what's the price in this zone? We can go to lower time frames H4 and H1, look for some kind of bearish price rejections and some kind of trading setup to go short in this market. So this is going to be about AUDUSD. Next, let's talk about New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD, starting from here, we have the low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, and the price reaches the previous high. Then the price broke and closed below the support. Then we made another support, and that's going to be lower low and lower high with this bluish candle. So price again broke and closed below this support, and as we can see, there was another support as well, and the price gave us a broken close below this support as well. So as you can see, the price is making lower lows and lower highs. So we are bearish, and now so we are looking for short trades. So in order to look for the short trades, we are going to look for some kind of retracement to a specific resistance zone where we can find some kind of trading opportunity. So if the price start retracing and pulling back higher from here, this is going to be the first zone which is going to act as a resistance to the rising prices. So we can accordingly we can go to lower time frames H4 and H1, look for some kind of bearish price actions and go short if it happens. If that doesn't happen, we would like the price to visit this most recent broken zone, and once that happens, accordingly we can go to lower time frames H4 and H1, look for some kind of bearish price actions to go short as well. So these are going to be the possibility that we can focus on New Zealand USD in the coming days. Next, EURUSD. Now EURUSD, as we can see, the price is making lower lows and lower highs, so it is bearish. Starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then lower low, lower high, and then the price broke and closed below the previous low or the support, made another lower low, and then the price reaches the previous high. So right now the price is kind of consolidating. So as you can see, the price is making lower lows and lower highs. So we are bearish, and so we can look for short trades. But if we talk about the possible trading opportunity in this market at the moment, then if the price gives us a break and close above the previous high, that will be a change in the direction of the market. And in that situation, we can wait for a pullback to the recent broken zone and look for some kind of indications to go long. That's going to be the possibility number one. The another possibility and opportunity, we can wait for the price to give us a break and close below the previous low, and then we can wait for a pullback to the recent broken zone. If that happens, accordingly we can go to lower time frames and H4 and H1, look for some kind of bearish rejections to go short. This will be the continuation of this downtrend as well. So these are going to be the two possibility that we can focus on EURUSD. Next, let's talk about GBPUSD. Starting from here, how it's low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and now we can see that price broke and closed below the previous support. So we are making lower lows and lower highs, so we are bearish. And if we talk about a possible trading opportunity, then definitely we would like the price to visit the recent broken zone, and if that happens, we can go to lower time frames, H4, look for some kind of bearish price actions and the trading setup to go short in this market. So this is going to be the possibility that we can focus on. USDCAD, as you can see, the market is making high highs and high lows, so we are looking bullish. Starting from here, we have the high low, high 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 low. So as you can see, the price is making high highs and higher lows, and right now the price has given us a breaking close above this resistance zone as well. So we are bullish. Now in terms of looking for a trading opportunity, we can wait for the price to give us a break, to give us a higher close, and then we can wait for the price to visit this recent broken zone, and accordingly, if it happens, we can go to lower time frames, H4 and H1, look for some kind of bullish price actions to go along in this market. This is going to be the possibility that we can focus on USDCAD. Now USDJPY, as we can see, and the market, let's suppose start from here. We have the high low, higher low, higher low, then higher high, and then the price broke and close below the previous support, so making a lower low. Then we had lower high. All right, so as we can see, the price already broke and closed below the recent support, so we are bearish at the moment, and on the daily. So if we talk about a possible trading setup in this market, so if the price give us a break and close below the recent support or below the previous low of this kind of downtrend, then we can wait. We can wait for the price to visit or retest the recent broken zone, and if that happens, accordingly we can find bearish rejections on the low time frames to go short in this market. That's going to be the possibility. If you are talking and if you are thinking of the long trades, then in that scenario, I will wait for the price to give us a break and close above the previous high of this trend, and only in that situation I will wait for a pullback and retest of this recent broken zone to go along. These are going to be the possibility that we can focus on USDJPY. Next, it's a natural gas. So natural gas, starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and right now the price broke and closed below this support line, this support, and this support as well. So as we can see, the price making lower lows and lower highs, so we are bearish now. In the bearish market, we are looking for the short trades, but we will look for some kind of discount or retracement before going short. So now, starting from here, if the price start pulling back higher, this is going to be the first zone which is going to act as a resistance, and there might be a possibility that the price finds some resistance here and continue the downtrend. If that doesn't happen, this is going to be the next resistance zone which is going to come in the way of the price, and we might find some kind of rejections and the price might continue down from here. The next zone is going to be this one. This might also act as a resistance if the price pulling back higher, so we might find some rejections here as well, and accordingly we can catch this move on the lower time frames actually if we find some kind of setup and the bearish price actions to go short, and this overall trend can continue down from here as well. If that doesn't happen and the price do not continue lower from here, then we are going to wait for the price to finally hit this most recent broken zone, and this is going to be the strongest resistance and the safest and you can say like most beneficial in terms of the risk reward as well. So what's the price at this zone? Accordingly, we can go to lower time frames H4 and H1, look for some kind of bearish price action, some kind of trading setup to go short in this market. These are going to be the different possibility that we can focus on natural gas. Let's talk about US oil. As we can see, the price is bearish, market is bearish, making low lows and lower highs. Starting from here, we have low, lower high, low, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, or retest of the previous high. Then we made a lower low, lower high, and lower low, and now the price is retesting, or you can say already got rejected from the recent broken zone. After making this low, price pullback and now already got rejected from this zone. So this was actually the zone where we could look for the trading opportunity. This was the zone where we could look for the trading opportunity, and this one is going to be the next support zone. So we could look for a shorting opportunity here, considering this one as the target. So this one is going to be the possibility. Now if you talk about the future possibility of the future possibility of the trading opportunity, then I will say then we can wait for the price to break and close below the previous support. In that scenario, we can wait for a retest of the recent broken zone. Accordingly, once the price visits this zone, we can go to lower time frames, look for some kind of bearish price actions to go so short. This is going to be the trading opportunity that we can focus on US oil. In terms of silver, as you can see, market is bearish, as giving us lower lows and lower highs. If we consider from here, starting from here is a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and now the price broke below this support and this support as well. So price is right now here. As you can see, the market is bearish, making lower lows and lower highs. So we are looking for short trades, and right now if the price start pulling back higher, this zone is going to be the first zone where we can find some kind of rejections and the resistance. So if we find some resistance here on the lower time frames and find some kind of shorting trading setup, then we can look for a trading setup here as well to go short, and that will be the continuation of this downtrend on the daily as well. If that doesn't happen, we are going to wait for the price to hit this zone, and accordingly we are going to go to lower time frames, H4 and H1, look for some kind of trading shorting opportunity to go short after finding some kind of bearish rejection. These are going to be the possibility that we can focus on. Next is going to be gold. Gold, starting from here, we have high low, high 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 low, high 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 low, high high, and right now the price is at the previous low or the higher low of this uptrend. So we are still bullish on the daily. And if we talk about a possible trading setup, then if the price gives us a break and close below this support, strong support zone, then we can wait for a retest of this zone and find some kind of bearish price actions to go short. This is going to be the possibility and trading setup that we can focus on the gold. On S&P 500. S&P 500, starting from, suppose from here, we were doing high 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 low, high 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 low, high 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 low, high 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 low, and this was kind of double top, and then the price broke and closed below the neckline of the double top. So we made a lower low and lower high. That's a recent that the retest of this neckline of the double top. Then we further broke this support, made another lower low, and then the price retest this recent broken zone, and as you can see already there was a very good trading opportunity from here to this support zone. So as we can see now, the price is bearish, making lower lows and lower highs. So if we talk about a future trading opportunity, then if the price gives us a break and close below this support zone, then we can wait for a retest of this recent broken zone to go short. That can be our potential target. So this is going to be the possibility. Otherwise, we can wait for the price to give us a break and close over the previous high. In that situation, we can wait for the retest of this zone and look for some kind of bullish price actions to go long. That's going to be the possibility that you can focus on. US 30, price is bearish, as making lower lows and lower highs. As we can see, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And the price broke and closed below the previous support zone. Price already retested this zone and gave some rejections, found some rejections. So this was the zone. This was the, I will say, this was the zone where we could, after making a close here, this was the zone where we expected a pullback and retest and rejections from the zone. As we can see already, there are some rejections. So potentially this could be the potential target in that situation, and that already you can see already some rejections are there. So anyways, if we talk about a future trading opportunity in this market, so future trading opportunities are if the price As we can see, the price is making lower lows and lower highs, so we are expecting another break and close below the previous low and support. So if the price gives us a break and close below the previous support, then we are going to wait for a pullback into the recent broken zone and find some kind of rejections, bearish rejections, to go short in this market. This is going to be the possibility that we can focus on. Next, it's going to be Bitcoin. Bitcoin, starting from here, we have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And right now, because this candle is still in progress, this daily candle is still in progress, so depending upon where it closes, if it closes below the support zone, then in that situation, we are going to wait for a pullback and retest of this recent broken zone and find some kind of bearish rejections to go short. This can be a potential target in that situation. So this is going to be the trading setup that we can focus on Bitcoin. On Ethereum, so Ethereum, starting from here, we have the high low, high high, higher low, higher high, and right now, as we can see, this candle is still in progress. So depending upon where this candle closes, so for now, depending upon the closed candles, we are still bullish. If this today's candle closes bearish, then we will go bearish on the daily, and in that situation, we can look for a retest of this recent broken zone and find some bearish price action to go short. This can be our potential target number one. As you can see, we have a daily support zone here, and this is going to be the next support zone. So this can be, so this is going to be target number one, and this is going to be target number two here as well. So depending upon, but all this based on if we have a daily candle closes below this zone. So this is going to be the possibility of the Ethereum. So that's it, friend. This was the analysis on the Forex, Commodities, Indices and Cryptos market, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to find more trading setups on the daily, 4-hour and the 1-hour time frames, as I did in this video, then I would recommend you to join my Telegram channel. Link of the Telegram channel has been given in the description box of this video. And so thank you very much. See you in another video.